Imagine a city where the chirping of birds isn't just a background noise, but the main symphony, where skyscrapers are replaced with giant trees and monuments built for our feathered friends. Welcome to Alexander's city for birds. As Alexander the Great expanded his empire, he discovered a valley alive with bird songs. In memory of a cherished feathered friend from his youth, he crafted a city for birds. With architects from across his realm, they built ornate birdhouses, vast baths, and arenas for avian contests. This was more than a sanctuary. It was a metropolis where diverse birds coexisted in harmony. Word spread, drawing visitors far and wide to marvel at this wonder, showcasing Alexander's profound love for nature.